What's up YouTube? Every Tech Time here again, and today is another YouTube tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn related channels or popular channels on or off on your YouTube channel. So related channels are when you do something called opting into channel recommendations, where your channel gets recommended by other channels and vice versa. So you cannot control what channels appear in your related channels, but you can completely opt out of channel recommendations, which is called opting out and just disabling related channels and popular channels. So if you want to do that, then I'll show you how. So you go to your channel. Now this is the simple way to do it. Go to Customize Channel. Right here where it says Popular Channels, it says Enabled. So then you go and click Disable. And that says Not showing this. Prevents your channel from being recommended across YouTube on other channel pages. And if you want to re-enable it, you just click Enable. So that's the first way to do it. Now I'll show you the second way. So on your channel you go to Creator Studio. And then go to Channel. Go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down and then select Do not allow my channel to appear in other channels' recommendations, and then click Save. Now I'm not actually going to disable related channels, I'm just going to do this, but to actually do it you select Do not allow my channel to appear in other channels' recommendations and click Save. And that's how you disable related channels on your YouTube channel. So if you found this tutorial helpful, then you can like this video as well as comment down below to tell us what you think, and be sure to subscribe for more videos in the future. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you next time.